Okay, so the problem is when I press the power button, it doesn't stay on. So here's me pressing it once. See, it won't stay on, so I can hold it down and the lights will go up, but it won't stay on every time I release it. So even if I hold it down for a minute, it starts to, like that, go down. So it just won't stay on. That's basically the problem.